Hey guys, I hope that you are all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to share a simple sewing project on sanitary towels. So guys, we have been sewing sanitary towels for the past maybe 7 years. These are the washable ones, the ones that you are able to use, wash, and then rewear again. And yeah, they are so convenient, and they are very comfortable as compared to store-bought ones. That is if you choose the right material. So for us, we use pure cotton, and we use the one that is soft. It's called flannel, and then we also use fleece. As for the shape, you can determine by yourself what shape you want to use or what color you want to put on. But we use cotton because cotton is very absorbent, and then we use fleece because fleece is kind of waterproof, so it's not able to leak. And I don't know if you can see this, but the finishing of the sanitary towels can be like this one is zigzag, and then like for this one we have used overlock. And also you can just sew around depending on your project and what you want to achieve. So I did not have the fleece or the cotton, but I'm just going to demonstrate how we sew the parts together. You can determine the sewing pattern that you want. You can see like this one. Or like this one at the center, how we have done it. You can also determine the sewing pattern, the size, and everything. And the goodness with these ones is that you know exactly what goes in. And guys, it's so easy to wash off the blood once you use the pads. And yeah, if you don't mind it, or you know girls somewhere who need these things, then you can just get in touch with me. I can sew them for you, or you can I don't know, like you can learn or something, and then you do something for them. And yeah, we have had great feedback so far. I hope that you will enjoy the video, and that you will be able to make a difference somewhere where it is needed. If you want to know the prices of the materials and where we buy them, just comment in the comment section, and then I'll let you know. Also, again, if you're new here, please consider to subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So these are all the different sizes of the sanitary towels that I'm going to make, and then the rectangular ones are for the centerpiece. And I'll just start by cutting out the patterns, both for the outer fabric, ideally fleece, and for the inner fabric, ideally cotton. Then the next step is to attach the inner fabric, which is ideally fleece, ideally cotton, but you can use any absorbent material that you have available. And after attaching the inner fabric, you now attach the outer fabric. So normally this step I'll use an overlock machine, but currently my overlock machine is not in use. It needs a bit of servicing before I can be able to use it again, but overlocking is a bit easier. It makes the pads look beautiful, and yeah, I just prefer it as compared to sewing around. So just for purposes of demonstration, I'm gonna sew around, but you can use overlock. Alternatively, if you have a zigzag one, also you can use that one. Yeah, that one is also ideal and it makes beautiful. You have seen at the beginning of the video, and even I'll show you at the end of the video how it looks like. Then the last step is to put the press studs. I'm using plastic press studs. They are ideal also because yeah, they are plastic and soft on the skin, and they don't even get in touch with the skin anyway. So yeah, they are safe to use in case you're just wondering. So thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Please remember to subscribe if you're new, and also share my video. And if you have any question, please type it down in the comment section below. See you in my next video, and God bless you. Bye.